Okay, hello and welcome to another Math Counts problem tutorial. So today we will be working through problem number 20 in the 2010 chapter Spring Round. So let's read through our question. How many subsets of the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 have either 4 or 5 as their largest element? Alright, so subsets are kind of tricky because you could have none of these, you can have all of these, you can have anything in between. So how do we find how many there are? So there's one main concept. So let's take this as an example. So each subset either has a 1 or does not have a 1. And it either has a 2 or does not have a 2. And similarly for all the numbers. So you can see each of these 6 numbers has 2 different cases. Either it's in or not. So we have 2 cases times 2 cases and so on. So we get that the total number of subsets will be 2 to the 6th. And that's our main formula. If you have a subset with n elements, it will have 2 to the n subsets. So let's look at our problem. So we want either 4 or 5 as our largest element. So let's look at 4 as our largest element first. So if we want 4 as our largest element, obviously we want a 4 in the subset. And we can't have a 5 or a 6, otherwise it wouldn't be the largest element. So now we have 3 numbers. And we can do this again. Each subset either has a 1 or not. And then same with these. So we get 2 to the 3 now, which is 8 subsets to have 4 as the largest element. And now similarly with 5, we have a 5, we do not have a 6, but now we have 4 of these. So then the total number of subsets with 5 as the largest element will be 2 to the 4, which is 16. So the total number of subsets that either have 4 or 5 as their largest element will be 8 plus 16, 24. Alright, let me give you a second practice problem. So, if we have the subset, or the set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, how many subsets will have either 5 or 6 as their largest element? I'll give you a few seconds. This is where you pause the video. Alright. The answer to this problem is 48. If you don't know how I got that, then you can either rewind the video to see how I did the first problem, or you can keep watching to see how I explain it. Alright. So, if we have 5 as our largest element, again, we have 5 and we do not have a 6 or a 7. So we have 2 to the 4, which is 16. And if we have 6 as our largest element, then we do not have a 7, we do have a 6. And then each of these 5 numbers has 2 cases. So we have 2 to the 5 is 32. So the total number, 16 plus 32, are 48. Alright, let me give you a third practice problem. But I'm not going to solve it or give you an answer in this video. What I want you to do is work it out by yourself and put your answer in the comment section and I will check them later. Alright, so let's take our set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many total subsets can you make, including the empty subset, which is where you have none of them? Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something about sets in this question. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Bye!